It is great to have you back here at Coinceras channel. Attention all traders, the Bitcoin market is about to crash in a few days. The good news is that this is a purchasing opportunity, guys. That's the way you need to perceive it. And you know what, if these markets become too volatile and people start to withdraw, you won't even be able to recognize the cryptocurrency markets in Q3, let alone Q4. Change is soon to descend to that level. Take it easy. It's normal to feel discouraged. In fact, it's likely that you're feeling discouraged about some of your cryptocurrency investments. They're wonderful. They will recover, you guys. They will recover. Since shorts are becoming more popular, we'll be discussing one of their theories in this episode. Our Ripple head of technology condemns people talk about body slamming Elon Musk. We're going to get into the news that Citibank has been collaborating with Ripple for a long time, which is something that Talk thinks and I tend to agree with. Without further ado, please settle in, kick up your feet, and get a cold drink, because we are about to discuss the crypto analyst who predicted Bitcoin's 70,000 rally turning bearish, as well as the Bitcoin dip and the XRP Bitcoin chart. 64,702 The current decline is 5.28%. Ethereum has dropped 48 cents in the last day, while USDC and TAH have also fallen to dollar pegs, bringing their respective values to 5.49% and $3,066, respectively. The goal for VOC is to reach 49 cents, and we must return to the oh-so-critical level of 66 and 75 cents by the time May or June rolls around. As I've said before and will repeat again, Bitcoin is at a key juncture in its liquidity zone, therefore we're trying to get as much liquidity as possible before the price skyrockets between 64,000 and 68,000. The total value of all cryptocurrencies is $2,309 billion. Keep in mind that by year's end, the equally formidable Brad Garland House has predicted $5 trillion. What a fantastic crypto news report of $7 trillion in 2025. Have a look at it. Some items are missing. Despite the halving event, Crypto.com CEO still expects Bitcoin prices to continue falling. He seems to have my opinion. What transpired here is unacceptable to me. I believe I created a mobile view. Well, that's not good. This is not a sell view. Get to. The guarantee was updated because something broke. Regardless, we will come up. And we will examine it. The crypto CEO's predictions about the Bitcoin market's dynamics, I'll sum them up, include the following. During the halving event, we should expect to witness sales. Also, I'm inclined to agree with them. In fact, I firmly believe that there will be no sell-offs and that prices will eventually climb again. Ethereum shorts are becoming more popular. A negative prognosis appears to be supported by the fact that short positions for the theory of prices have been on the rise recently. Because of this, the value of Bitcoin is affected, selling off or declining as we approach halving, which is just 3 or 4 days away. Ethereum risk reveals have taken a sharp turn towards negativity, particularly in the front end, registering -12.0% to. Additionally, the market is currently shortened in Ethereum Gamma, especially in near-death or options, according to a recent market analysis given by the QCP Capital 2Q.2 important points. In this case, it's not surprising at all. Bitcoin prices falling. People are pessimistic, as they always are just before a halving, but after a few days or weeks, perhaps following the halving and before our meeting, they become optimistic again. Elon Musk criticizes Ripple's chief technology officer for his intentions to oppose charges on new Twitter users. Apparently, Elon Musk is set to X is getting some new users by introducing a few systems. Crypto industry heavyweights like David Schwartz have spoken out in response to the current suggestion, which has sparked a huge outcry against the billionaire's bizarre statement X. In weighing competing claims about new users, Elon Musk did not defend this post. He also claims that there aren't enough unique usernames and that bots are being used too frequently. He said that the only way to prevent bots is to charge new users a little price for access rights. This is essentially Elon Musk's goal. Furthermore, a registration fee is required of all new users. Surely this would deter bots, as the idea of 100 in accounts for 5 is appealing. A bank account, say, 5,000. The bots would be thwarted by this. David Schwartz, on the other hand, stressed the difference between bot compounding and sniffing out real disclosure. Additionally, he mentioned that it is important to prioritize the ease of free expression. Well, this is a complete mess. Everything is happening in its own chaotic way. Well, Chad did it again. He claims that the city has been developing private ledgers for tokenized bank deposits and instant cross-border transfers with Ripple for quite some time. Consider Matejko, which the city has incorporated as a liquidity hub and custody service that links up with the BRICS banks. Getting close to the new Kinesia payment system has been a real-time, cross-border event in the Twin Cities. Use its own network to see the United Kingdom, Singapore, and Thailand. Funds can be sent to foreign third-party banks almost instantly using the cross-border instant transfers, which are available nearly 24/7 and do not incur fees from intermediaries or beneficiaries' banks. Citi will be increasing the footprint of solutions in other nations in 2021, and confirmation provides certainty that the monies have been transferred to them. Freelancers and gig economy workers are on the rise in today's digital economy, and as a result, beneficiaries want more control over their payment processes, including the option to have their money sent to a digital wallet. To assist businesses in satisfying this need, as part of its payments expansion, Citi now supports the China UnionPay card network, allowing customers in over 100 countries to send and receive money instantly via digital wallets. With Citi's near-instant fund delivery to account, digital wallet, and card services, individuals in China can get full-value cross-border payments. With Citi's cross-border payments service, businesses may expand their customer base, strengthen ties with existing consumers, and attract new ones. Using the Citi network's fast payments feature, funds up to $15 million can be sent instantly between Citi accounts, regardless of their location. Citi accounts in the US now offer quick intercompany finance for urgent payments to suppliers or consumers with pre-validation available 24/7. Immediate payments from the Hong Kong and Singapore Citi networks will soon be available in even more countries. With Citi Connect API, you can get real-time visibility and end-to-end connectivity with ease. Wow, this is really fascinating, everyone. If that's what you mean, I've spent years perfecting the private ledger. The cryptocurrency experts who had projected a 70,000-point surge before the huffing turned negative, and the founder of 10x Research put his portfolio at risk riding the rising tide of treasury yields. Wow, everyone was in such a bullish mood before this happened. They were wondering when Bitcoin would break its all-time high and if it would ever stop rising. But as I've told you before on this channel, what goes up must come down. So, we were prepared. Alright, let's descend again. We will rectify the situation and locate the optimal compromise. After we locate that place, we will return to the upward trend. Yes, it is that easy. Remain calm and collected. The price of Bitcoin falls to 65 as the trend indicator on Coinbase. Bitcoin reaches neutral. Neutrals are my favorite. The market has shifted from bullish to neutral, so that's good. Okay with me. Now, everyone is paying attention to Bitcoin since it's about to turn around and hold 60,000, a total of 60 to 64,000. All we have to do is remain there. If we can remain in that exact location, you would be surprised at how soon we will witness the upward push. The XRP movement in May and June is set to truly do occur. This is exactly what Mr. Huber mentioned at the yearly XRP conference. The yearly chart for Bitcoin appears to be a complete reset. To me, it's perfect. We need to put this in the past so we can start over. Well, it's disappointing to see that we're right back where we started, but you're not interested. I've spent sufficient time here. I can guarantee you that in 2025, in the first quarter of XRP's lifespan, we will see the creation of a new all-time high. The price of XRP is likely to rise as we approach a new all-time high 2.80 that hasn't been surpassed since the 2018 bull run. Honestly, it's one of the assets that hasn't done well recently. However, guess what? The greater the base length, the greater the altitude to space. The video ends there. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. Muchas gracias, depart.